looks like it's a little bit humid. Oh my god, it is. But this time I'm ready. This time I'm ready for you. Still bad. Yeah, still bad. It's not working. Okay, apparently I'm not ready. So, once again, let me go to the car, fix the lens, and good morning. Alright, good morning. Wow, is this a filter or something? Yeah, it's not, but it's working. At least it's showing my face. So, one good thing. Remember to close the cap of your water bottle before you put it in with your dry towel and other stuff. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. Let's go in the car. Oh, it's gonna be a good day. My towel is wet. I'm amazing. What an amazing day, man. Anyways, you guys, so let's go now. Meet the guys. I have two new open water students, Mohammed and Hassan. Wish you guys good luck. I know you're gonna make it. You guys are amazing. Good morning, again and again and again. Finally here. Wow, man, look at this. Look at the setup. Very nice. Very nice. We're renting a boat from Salsan today, and this is our boat today. But let me get some trolleys to get the stuff out of my car. So we finished loading the gear, but according to the weather forecast, there is a lot of wind and waves gonna be really high. So I'm gonna go to the pharmacy, bring some seasickness pills for the students and everyone else on the boat who needs it. I think we're gonna force everyone to take pills, otherwise everyone will get sick. So yeah, we wanna avoid that. Mohammed.
Hello, coach.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Sure. What's up?
What
Ready for today?
I'm ready.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Businessman. Are you ready?
يعطيكم العافية كلكم. معكم محمد خاجي.
Hassan, are you ready?
Ready, coach.
Ready?
Let's do this.
Mohammed,
Hello.
no more dizziness?
We'll see.
Yeah, man, come on. Yalla, let's go. Hassan,
Hello, coach.
what do you think?
love it. Manasa.
How was the feeling of having the first breath underwater?
I get lost.
Let's check on Mohammed. What do you think?
Amazing.
Did you like it?
Amazing.
Khalas, let's go home, or we should dive again.
There's one more time.
Okay. So if you guys can see these shadows, let me show you what is it exactly. هلا بالشباب.
هلا والله كوتش.
صار فيلم. محمد.
هلا.
صحيح.
علينا وين راح؟ انا شايف شيء. شايف
والدرب. Good evening. We're finally back, done with the boat, and we prepared almost everything for tomorrow. Yeah, let's wipe this clean a little bit. Yeah, oof, it's still humid. The wind was so choppy on the water. Sorry, the waves were choppy. The waters were choppy. Look, excuse me, I can hardly construct a sentence at this point. So yeah, it was a very rough day, but good thing is Mohammed and Hassan, perfect. Good job, you guys, for your first diving experience. Yeah, it was rough, but you guys made it, so good job. And for everyone who watches these videos and all my subscribers, thank you guys for being here. And for my new viewers, don't hesitate, you guys. Subscribe, share this video, and until next time, see you on the part 2 of Mohammed and Hassan open water adventure.